Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Chris Runge with Runge Cars, and we are super excited to have two of our creations here today. The RS016 build that we presented about a year ago, and our latest commission, the Helios RS016. So as with all Runge cars, the Helios was built in the traditional methods using the English wheel, hammering over tree stumps and leather shot bags. It's all aluminum body work that you see here. So on the interior, we've got aluminum seats that we built here in the shop. My son Finn, who's running the cameras right now, did the stitch work on the seats. They're adjustable forward to back. We do get questions a lot on how you actually get in and out of one of these cars. So I'll climb in here and show you. It keeps a guy young, that's for sure, but usually you just park yourself on the sill here and you just slip right in, down into the seat, and you are now inside of your personal fighter plane on wheels. When you're sitting in the cockpit, everything is laid out pretty simply. You've got your key here, ignition starter, push button here, horn, fuel pump, headlights, signals, fog lights, windshield wiper, blower motor for the fan, 3 speeds, and your AC system right here. And of course, you have to have the stopwatches to keep track of your time. So let's go ahead and fire it up. So let's give you guys a look at the engine bay.
The engine uses a hand-formed aluminum fan shroud, copper fuel lines, and Weber 48 IDFs.
So we've got a 2.3 liter air-cooled flat 4 situated mid-engine, so the weight distribution and the balance in the car is nearly perfect between the front and rear axles. And this puts out about 185 horsepower, so plenty of power for the car that weighs about 1,500 pounds. So back here we've got our fuel tank situated up just behind the engine, and then you do have a little bit of storage in the trunk. Luggage, if you're going to a show or something, you can throw your gear in here. So we've got the Helios badge here. We've got the traditional Porsche Beehive 356 style taillights. Down below here we've got the Franco Conti Italian exhaust system. So we're running a Tecno Magnesio reproduction 356 aluminum wheel, Pirelli Cinturato CN36 tires, and then we have CSP disc brakes from Germany. We have the classic Talbot style mirrors, air vents in the windows here that provide a pretty good little blast of air as you're cruising down the road. It comes right at the side of your face. It feels pretty good.